In this video, we will evaluate the integral of secx divided by secx plus tan x dx. We will do it in three simple steps. We'll multiply the numerator and denominator by secx minus tan x. Second, we will use the identity sec square x minus tan square x equals 1. And third, we'll use the formula for integration of sec square and sec x times tan x. Let's get started with step number 1, which is multiplying the numerator and denominator by sec x minus tan x. So if we multiply the numerator with sec x minus tan x, we'll get sec square x minus sec x tan x. And multiplying the denominator with sec x minus tan x, we'll get sec square x minus tan square x dx. Now, by using sec square x minus tan square x equals 1 in the denominator, the expression will reduce to sec square x minus sec x tan x dx. Now, by using integral of sec square x as tan x and integral of sec x tan x as sec x, we will get tan x minus sec x plus c. I hope this video was helpful. Please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.